Wake up where the night gave up. Cold towels, blood on my hands. Doors I locked, names I forgot. This house still knows who I am. I don't run toward the noise, I don't answer every call. I learned the hard way, silence saves more than it costs. It's the sound of hiding, life between the lines. No songs of glory, no last goodbye. Just quiet decisions that keep me breathing. I'm still here.